Looking to build your own practice but have no idea where to start? Look no further. Empire Medical Training has you covered. Our comprehensive business kits are designed to give you everything you need to build and maintain a thriving, successful practice in the aesthetic, anti-aging, or pain management fields. Keep watching to learn more about exactly what we have to offer. Our 3-pack aesthetic starter kit includes in-depth guides on the nitty-gritty of building your very own practice, a full pack of consent form documents, a no-nonsense guide to office fundamentals, and a breakdown on how to fairly package and price your aesthetics packages for your benefit and your client's benefit too. While most of your customers will be dazzled by their results, it always helps to be prepared for unexpected complications. The Vital Essentials Kit includes a crash course on emergency reversal protocols for medically necessary procedure reversals, as well as elective reversal protocols for those who choose to reverse their treatments. No matter what the reason, customer satisfaction and safety is a priority, and we have you covered. In order to succeed in a technologically advanced world, a social media presence is a must. Our social media toolkit is a step-by-step guide on how to market your budding practice to a market that can, at times, seem oversaturated with options. How do you make yourself stand out in the crowd? How do you get a leg up on the competition? With this guide, you'll be an expert in no time. And if you have the know-how on social media promotion but aren't a graphic design expert, we have your back. Our social media template kit is jam-packed with hundreds of pre-made, sleek, and sophisticated graphic templates, ready for you to customize the colors, text, and images to your practice's brand and post on any social media platform. Mix and match our 4 exclusive practice-building kits today for explosive growth. Empire Medical Training is your one-stop shop for building your very own aesthetics practice. Join our community today. Visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com or call 844-565-3131.